Come with me while I gather some basil for a caprese salad. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of take some from the tops here because we want to leave the bigger, lower pieces like these leaves, because those are basically where all the energy is made. So I'm gonna take a couple from here. Got a couple nice bunches. So I'm gonna take this one here. And maybe one more. There we go. And that'll give it some time to grow back in. And we've got a nice big bunch. Now to prep my salad, I'm slicing my tomatoes. I'm using pre-sliced mozzarella because it's just easier. And I have washed and dried my basil leaves. I will be taking one slice of mozzarella, one slice of tomato, and one basil leaf and continuously layering them in my dish until the entire dish is filled. Then I will finish it off by drizzling some olive oil and drizzling some balsamic glaze that I get from Heinen's grocery store on top. And if you like to add a little more seasoning, I use a Borsari seasoning to finish it off. And here is my finished salad. It's beautiful and delicious. So friends, I hope you get to try it sometime.